So friends, either just for that, are you unable to profile lock your Facebook account? If you click on the three dots here, if you click on this three dots, you won't see any profile lock option, right? Earlier, there used to be a profile lock button here, but you can't find that button now, can you? So are you facing this problem?
So if this is happening to you, you must watch this entire video, because in this video, I'll tell you how to profile lock your Facebook account. Okay, so friends, without further ado, let's start the video. First, the thing you need to do, I'll show you how, and you'll do it exactly that way. Then you'll definitely be able to profile lock your Facebook account.
So for the first step, you will again click on the three dots right here.
So if you click on the three dots here, you won't be able to see the profile lock button right here. You simply won't be able to find it here. In that particular situation, what you'll need to do is this. You'll notice an option that says turn professional mode off. Alright, you absolutely must make sure to turn this feature off. If you currently have this setting enabled, then you definitely need to disable it. So I'm going to proceed and turn it off right now.
What should I do for that? Here, I will click on turn professional mode off.
After clicking, what will you do next? You'll just click on continue here.
So I've gone ahead and clicked on continue right here. After clicking continue, you can clearly see the turn off option. Alright, what I'm going to do now is click on turn off right here. Once I've clicked turn off, my work on this part will be finished. After that, all you need to do is simply close it.
So I closed this now. Then I came back a little.
After coming back, what will I do? Now I will refresh the account. So my account has been refreshed successfully.
Then what exactly will you do next? Yeah, you will simply click on the three dot located right here. So I have now gone ahead and clicked on the three dots. And after successfully clicking on these three dots, you can clearly observe that the lock profile button has now become visible. Now, the main point is that if your professional mode is turned on here, yeah, you must turn it off. Only by turning it off will you be able to see the profile lock button, okay? But if it's on, you won't be able to lock your profile. After you turn it off, then you'll see the profile lock. You won't see it before that, eh? Now, basically, for you to do on the lock profile here, you'll be able to lock your account, profile lock it, and then see. So if you click on the lock your profile here, you'll see that my account will become profile locked. Alright, so you can see, you just saw here that my account has been profile locked. Alright, if I click OK here, here my profile will be locked. Now, if someone comes to my account, they'll see it's locked. Alright then, so if I just clicked on the views option here, as you can all clearly see right now, my personal account is currently profile locked. No one will be able to come to my account and see any of my content anymore. So essentially, this is how you go about locking a profile. Now, if in your particular situation, you happen to be experiencing this kind of problem where you are simply unable to locate or find the profile lock button, then you absolutely must proceed exactly as I have shown you. The way I just performed this entire task, you should carry it out in precisely the same manner. You will then see that you too will be perfectly capable of locking your own profile account. All right? So friends, this was our complete video. If you liked the video, then please like and comment on it. So friends, I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and healthy above all. Allah Hafiz. And from Onum. Ice.